Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy beef quesadillas. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients, like 1 pound of ground beef, your favorite tortillas, and plenty of shredded cheese. First, brown the ground beef in a skillet over medium heat until it's fully cooked through. Remember to drain any excess fat from the pan. This step ensures your quesadillas aren't greasy and taste absolutely delicious. Now, let's add some amazing flavor to our beef. Stir in 1 tablespoon of your favorite taco seasoning with the cooked ground beef. Then, add about 1/4 cup of water and let it simmer until all the liquid is absorbed, making the beef extra savory. Next, place 1 tortilla in a clean, lightly oiled skillet over medium heat, preparing for the delicious layers. This is where the magic happens. Sprinkle about 1/2 cup of shredded cheese evenly over the tortilla in the skillet. Then, spoon approximately 1/3 cup of your perfectly seasoned beef mixture over the cheese. For that ultimate gooey factor, top the beef with another generous 1/2 cup of shredded cheese. This layering creates a fantastic flavor and texture in every bite. To finish, place a second tortilla on top of your cheesy beef creation. Cook it until the bottom tortilla is beautifully golden brown, which usually takes about 3 to 4 minutes. Carefully flip the quesadilla and cook the other side for another 2 to 3 minutes until it's also golden and the cheese is melted. Slice your perfect quesadilla into wedges and serve immediately with your favorite toppings, like salsa or guacamole.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.